Hamburgers are more than just food. They are a global phenomenon. People everywhere love hamburgers. From bustling city streets to quiet seaside towns, the aroma of a grilling patty is a universal language of deliciousness. What is it about this seemingly simple sandwich that has captured the hearts and stomachs of millions worldwide? The answer likely lies in the hamburger's unique combination of simple ingredients and endless possibilities. At its core, a hamburger is simply a cooked patty of ground meat, usually beef, nestled between two slices of bread. This blank canvas, however, can be customized in countless ways. From classic toppings like cheese, lettuce, and tomato, to more adventurous additions like fried eggs, pineapple, or even peanut butter, the hamburger offers a world of culinary exploration. This versatility, combined with its affordability and satisfying flavors, has cemented the hamburger's place as a true icon of global cuisine. The hamburger is a testament to the power of simple pleasures. It is a reminder that sometimes the most satisfying meals are the ones that are uncomplicated, familiar, and made with love. The exact origins of the hamburger are shrouded in culinary debate, with multiple claims vying for the title of inventor. One popular theory points to 19th-century German immigrants who brought their love of Hamburg steak to America. This patty of ground beef, often seasoned with onions and spices, served as a precursor to the modern hamburger. Another contender emerges from the bustling streets of late 19th century America. Food vendors, catering to a growing working class, sought quick and portable meals. The hamburger, consisting of a ground meat patty between two slices of bread, perfectly fit the bill. Regardless of its precise beginnings, the hamburger's rise to prominence is undeniable. What began as a humble street food quickly gained popularity, capturing the tastes and imaginations of people across the United States. The 20th century would see the hamburger's trajectory skyrocket, transforming it from a simple snack into a cultural icon. The early 20th century witnessed the rise of the automobile and with it the American road trip. Roadside diners and drive-in restaurants popped up along highways catering to hungry travelers. The hamburger, with its convenient portability and satisfying flavors, became a staple of this burgeoning roadside culture. The mid-20th century saw the birth of fast food chains, and the hamburger was perfectly poised to become their flagship product. McDonald's, Burger King, and Wendy's capitalized on the hamburger's mass appeal, standardizing its production and making it accessible to the masses. This era also witnessed the rise of the backyard barbecue, further solidifying the hamburger's place in American culture. The hamburger became synonymous with summer evenings, family gatherings, and the simple joy of grilling outdoors. Its popularity soon transcended national borders, captivating taste buds across the globe. Section 4. Crafting the classic, a simple hamburger recipe. Ingredients: 1 pound ground beef, 80-20 blend, ½ teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 4 hamburger buns, and your favorite toppings like lettuce, tomato, onion, cheese, pickles, ketchup, and mustard. Instructions. First, preheat the grill to medium heat. In a bowl, gently combine the ground beef, salt, and pepper. Do not overmix. Next, form the mixture into 4 patties, about ½ inch thick. Grill the patties for 4 to 5 minutes per side, or until cooked to your liking. Toast the hamburger buns on the grill for the last minute of cooking. Finally, assemble your burgers with your favorite toppings and enjoy. This simple recipe serves as a starting point for endless variations. Feel free to experiment with different cheeses, toppings, and sauces to create your own signature burger. Section 5. The hamburger's enduring legacy, a symbol of culture and cuisine. The hamburger has transcended its humble origins to become a true global icon. It represents the ingenuity of culinary adaptation, the evolution of food trends, and the unifying power of a shared meal. More than just a sandwich, the hamburger has become ingrained in popular culture, appearing in countless films, television shows, and songs. It is a symbol of American cuisine, yet its global reach speaks to its universal appeal. The hamburger's story is a testament to the power of food to connect people across cultures and generations. It is a reminder that sometimes the simplest pleasures are the most enduring.